Okay, another unboxing package just arrived today from DHL, and as usual, uh, I'm gonna open this for you guys to see what's inside before I send it to the client. So open natin.
Slam on anchors. The furthest person from the flight is the loser. The closest one is the winner.
DHL courier as usual.
Look at that. That's where I stopped off.
For you guys to see
And that's where that stopped.
kung ano yung in-order ng client.
No way. It's because
So this one looks the springs inside.
a little bit.
Yung mga
If I didn't lock
springs.
up that front wheel,
Ayan, ito
I
na.
reckon I would have made it.
And obviously the stainless clamp holder hanger para sa muffler.
Yeah. So there you go. Fun little challenge video. Trail bike and a downhill bike. But do you think that the winner was
This one is kinda big.
of the win? Let me know in the comments down below.
Ito nga pala order ni client para sa big bike niya.
Don't forget to click this round little globe right here. When you subscribe, you'll get one every day of the week.
If I'm not mistaken, this is para sa RGS niya.
That's a rad video. If you want to click down here,
Ay hindi pala. Para sa KTM 12.
don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like.
Let's open it.
So the age-old question, what's faster? A road rider taking the road on a longer route or a mountain biker taking a direct route up and over the hills?
Okay.
So to introduce their brand new Edge 530 and Edge 830 navigate head units, Garmin has sponsored this video. But we've got free reign to do what we want, so rather than get Donny and geek out about it, I thought, let's have a challenge, let's have a race. So,
There.
we've got a
Look how
GT
nice
tank
this
here,
masterpiece.
and we're going to race. Hey Neil, how's it going? You good, mate?
Ito yung rubber para dun sa ano niya.
The challenge is,
Sa
I
stainless
picked
clamp.
up a pistol rider, beautiful waterfall, two valleys that
Ayan.
way, but leaves one essential item.
Actually, itong muffler na to,
Wales.
wala kang mabibili kahit saan. Wala kang makikita
You got it.
kahit saang mga shop or
Shot
brand.
in the opposite direction. It's up and over the
Ito kasing
so I know Pepper was quite well.
customize
52,
own ng factory abroad.
mine is
Customize na nila to. And the logo itself,
set on commute.
pwede mo ilagay kahit anong logo. Either Accra, Yoshi, AC Project, Austin Racing. It's up to you. Ito kasi wala naman talagang logo eh. So, no any logo for this. Parang customize nila. Sariling customize lang to ng supplier ko abroad sa factory. Ayan. Ano to eh, real stainless. Real black stainless. Ito, blue burn siya. Yan, yung tip niya, dual hole siya, dual tip hole. Yan, actually, this one is a universal. And yung inlet size niya, ayan, ang ganyan kaganda. Ganda ng finish. Handmade kasi to eh. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is handmade. Handmade craft. Exhaust muffler.
Not such a great start.
Handmade. This one is a 51mm. Pwede rin dito any size na gusto mo. Either 60mm
It might not be red
up to
lights,
63.
but there are gates.
And
Slow me down a bit. And also
available na rin yung 73mm eh.
probably
This one is a universal. Kahit saan mo ilagay na big bike, pwede. It's up to you. May available naman na mga mid-pipe elbow, and then full system also available, yung full system header para dito. Pwede rin naman tulad nito, in-order ng client, canister lang. Tapos pinalagyan namin ng logong Acrapovic.
Now I'm on climb
Gusto niya may Acra eh.
and I want a 5%
So, yeah.
climb that lasts for 5 kilometers.
Ayan siya, ang ganda.
So I'll be taking this one a little easier. I think.
Real black
Pace
stainless.
yourself.
Wait, sukatin natin. Anong haba? Para meron kayong reference. Anong haba niya? So So ito yung size inches is about from tip to inlet 23 inches, almost 23 inches yung haba nito. Yan. Hindi, yung parang yung lapad naman niya almost halos 6 inches. And yung shape nito is like oblong siya. Ayan o. Medyo oblong. Ayan. So ano ulit natin yung harapan niya. 6 din. 6 inches din. Ito naman yung mga butas niya. Ito almost 51 mm, 2 inches eh. Yung isa na, oh, ganun din. Halos pareho lang. Almost 2 inches. Yan. Again, this is my client's order para sa KTM. Lalagay sa KTM. Hindi ako nagkakamali. KTM 12cc, 1012cc ata. Yung adventure bike ng KTM. Yan. Ganyan kaganda yan. Handmade, real black stainless. Again, any logo pwede natin ilagay. Pwede rin walang logo. Pwede Yoshimura, SC Project, Two Brothers, pwede. It's up to you guys kung anong gusto nyong logo ang ilagay dito. Kasi this one is wala talagang brand ito eh. Customized, owned ng factory abroad. Supplier. May supplier. Again, that is a universal. Pwede sa any big bike. Mas maganda sa big bike to. Like yung mga adventure. Example like RGS 12 or 1250. Pwede rin sa T-Max to. May client ako, in-order to. Nilagay sa T-Max. 500. Yung mga scooter na big bike scooter. Mga 500cc, 400cc, pwede, maganda rin to. Universal siya. Okay, that's it. This one, send ko na sa, papak ko na ulit para tomorrow, ready to ship sa client. Hapon na kasi, hindi naabot. Ito yung mga spring niya. That's it. Look how nice the welding.
Oh wow, I'll tell you that, yeah. Have you seen a man with a posh accent in like a red wrestling outfit?
The best. So yun, kung gusto nyong model na same like this, PM lang kayo sa page. Nakapost naman to sa page. Always online naman ako. Diyan sa Bikers Lane online shop page ko, Facebook. And also, may YouTube din ako. YouTube channel, Bikers Lane. Okay, that's it.